This is, I have 300 chickens, so you see these two 5-gallon buckets are my fermenting. And you can see right there, I put in 3 1-gallon containers of feed, and you'll have to just measure for yours. I have moved I think it was like a week and a half ago, I went from doing just 1 bucket because I've got too many chickens to doing the 2. And you do it for 3 days. Also, over here, you see I have this water set in here. You want to let your water set for 24 hours so that you get any of the bleach or anything out of it. You don't want to use tap water unless you have something that sterilizes your tap water. But you let the water sit out for 24 hours, and then you're going to dump enough in there. You can see right here. Oh, here's the one I started today. If I can get the lid off. See, I've got a little bit over it, and when it's done, it'll swell up. That's day 1. This has been 2 days. And this right here, I will be feeding tomorrow. You can see how it's puffed up and everything. The one thing I have learned about it, not only does it make your feed go further, but it helps with your egg production. On my Polish and my other breeds that are rare breeds and they don't lay very much, within a week of starting this, they started laying again, and they're laying much heavier. It increases all my eggs, increases the health of the birds. Oh, here's another thing. My husband came up with this because when you're in a 5-gallon bucket like that, I am a little woman. I stand about 5'1" and I weigh about 130 pounds. That is hard to stir. And if you don't stir it, what happens is it gets disgusting on the bottom. And you don't want to feed your chickens that. It'll make them sick. But my husband took one of his drills. It's a plug-in one, so he doesn't use it that often on the job site. And put this beater on it. And that is how I mix up the fermented feeds. Again, if you're just getting started or you don't have that many chickens, you can start out in a quart jar. You could probably use a jar like this. You want to cover it, not tight, but kind of like this. You just want it covered, otherwise it'll get nasty. There'll be bugs all in it. But it's always surprising to me how quickly my eggs go up. I went from getting, trying to think, I think I was getting 40 or 50 eggs a day to I'm averaging about 100 eggs a day, and this is only the 2nd week of this. I will come back. Oh, gotta have chickens. There's my babies hatching. I will come back and tell you the results when I know about how much this expands my food bill. But I know it's at least I'm using at least a third less feed between the sprouts and the fermented. And anyways, it's an easy system. So, thank you very much. Have a great day.